Good morning, friends, students, teachers, and parents. My name is Pratibha. Today I am going to explain you the multiplication for class 2. If you are looking a complete multiplication chapter for class 2, then you are at the right place. So welcome to the learning center. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. So don't waste, I don't want to waste my time and yours as well. So quickly move to the topic, that is a multiplication. So let's see how many topics are there in multiplication. The topic number 1 will be multiplication as a repeated addition, then multiplication of on number lines, and multiplication facts, multiplication table 1 to 5, multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number without carryover, then multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number with carryover, and then we will do word problems. The first topic is multiplication as repeated addition. So let's quickly see with the example. Suppose that uh, each one of you have two hands. Okay, this will be the one hand, this will be the two hand. If suppose that you have two hands, then how many of hands will four children have? Then four children will have the first children. The first children will have two hands. Then we have second children who also have two hands. And then third children that will also have two hands. Third children also have two hands. Then fourth children also have two hands. Okay. Now, how many total have means how many four children have. So that will be the simple addition of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be the 4 times. Means we can write 4 multiplied by 2. This is very important statement to understand. We are writing 4 multiplied 2 here because we will read it as that is 4 in the group of 2. Means we have a group of 2, means each one children is a one group. So one children have two hands. So this is a group of 2, and each children have two hands, and we have how many children? 4. So that will be the number of student or number of children we have, and then that is the number of hands. So we will read it 4 in the group of 2. So that will be the addition of 2 4 times. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will got the 8. So we'll read is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. I hope there is a clear understanding. So we'll move to the slide. Okay. So let's say a same example. How many hands you have? You have two hands. Now how many hands four children have? So that is simple. That is a 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be the 8. Now four children have 8 hands. So we can say 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. That is 4 children have 8 hands, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. That is 4 in the group of 2. Okay. Now we will read it 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8, or we can say 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. We will read in this table, read this all this in tables. Okay. So 4 twos are 8, or this multiplication sign, that X is a sign of multiplication. Okay, so when we multiply two number, the number which is being multiplied is called the multiplicand, means that is a 4 in this case, and the number which is being multiplied is called the multiplier, means 2 in this case. 2 is a multiplier, 4 is a multiplicand, and the output answer, that is called the product. So we will read it 4 twos are 8, or 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. The product of 4 and 2 is 8. All are same. I hope there is a clear understanding of multiplication as a repeated addition. Why we are saying repeated addition? Because we are going to add more times, many times, same addition multiple times. So that is a and that's why multiplication is called the repeated addition. Now move to the second slide. Similarly, if we have two twos, means 2 plus 2s, that is called the 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 times, that is 4 threes. That is a 4 multiplied by 3, or we can say in the group 4 in the group of 3, 2 in the group of 2, 5 in the group of 5, 3 in the group of 6. Okay, so similarly 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and then 5, that is 5 multiplied by 5, that will be the 25. 5 in the group of 5. 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is a 3 times 6, that is a 3 6. That is 3 multiplied by 6, that means 3 in the group of 6 is equal to 18. I hope there is a clear understanding of multiplication as a repeated addition. Now move to the next topic. That is a multiplication of number line. That is a example. Suppose we have to multiply 6 by 3. 6 by 6, so first we have to draw the number line. Let's say we draw the number line that is from the 0 to 18. And now we have to multiply 6 by 3. So how we will write it? That is a 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. That is a 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is, that is a 6 times, that is a 18. So in the number line we will jump from 0 to 3 first. That is the first number of addition. This is a second number of addition is from 3 to 6, and then third number of addition from 6 to 9, then fourth number of addition from 9 to 12, then 12 to 15 is the 5 number of addition, then sixth number of addition of 3 is from 15 to 18. So we will read it as 6 in the group of 3. That will be the 6 multiplied by 3. I hope it is very clear. Let's see one more example in number lines. Okay. Suppose we have to multiply, just a moment, multiply 2 by 5. So first step will be the, you have to draw the number line. Number line draw करेंगे. Then from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll write it to multiply 2 by 5 means we'll write it 2 multiply by 5. That will be the addition of 5 two times. 5 plus 5. That is a 2 in group of 5. Means we have a group of 5. That is a 1 to 0 to 5. That will be the one group. And then second group will be the again 1 to 5 that we have to add 2 times. And this will be the first time of group addition. Okay, that will be the first time of addition. And then second time will be the 5 to 10. Is going on. Just a moment. Okay, now that will be the up to 10 times. So 5 plus 5 is 10 in the number line. I hope there is a clear understanding. Okay, so that will be the from addition of multiplication in number lines. Let's quickly go to the slide. Then next topic is the multiplication fact. Okay, so multiplication fact, the number one fact is a change in order. If we change the order of addition, then there is no change in the answer. Means product remains same. For example, if we multiply by 5 by 2 or 2 by 5, the answer will be the same. That will be the 10. Okay. Then second multiplication fact is a multiplication by 1. If we multiply 1 with any number, then product is the number itself. Simply 1 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 1 is the 6. And then multiplication by 0. If we if we multiply 0 with any number, or product of 0 and any number is the 0, always 0. Okay, so these are the three facts that you need to remember. The first one, change in order. The change in order does not change the answer. It will be same. Multiplication by 1, answer will be the number itself. Multiplication by 0, the answer will be 0. If we multiply 0 with any number, that answer will be 0. Now, next topic is the multiplication tables, that is 1 to 5. Now, multiplication table, see, multiplication is what? It is a repeated addition. Means if we want to say we are repeating the same number many times, then it will become in the tabular form or table form, that is called the multiplication table. So quickly see the table of tables, multiplication table from 1 to 5. Let's say the table of 1 at the first time, that is 1 multiplied by 1, that is a 1 in the group of 1, that will be the 1. 1 in the group of 2, sorry, 2 in the group of 1, that will be the 1 plus 1, 2. 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3 in the group of 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Then 1 multiplied by 4, that is a 4 in the group of 1, that is a 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 times, that will be the 4. Then 1 multiplied by 5, 1 addition of 1, 5 times, that will be the 5. 1 multiplied by 6, similarly addition of 1, 6 times, that will be the 6. Then multiply by 1 multiplied by 7, addition of 1, 7 times, that will be the 7. 1 multiplied by 8, addition of 1, 8 times, that will be the 8. 1 multiplied by 9, that is addition of 1, 9 times, that will be the 9. And 1 multiplied by 10, the addition of 1, 10 times, that will be the 10. So we will got the table of 1. Then table of 2. In the same way, we can say table of 2. Let's say example. If we have same example of hands, that one person have 2 hands, so that will be 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Then 2 person have 2 person have 2 person have how many hands? That will be 2 into 2. That will be the 2 plus 2. That will be the 4. Then how many hands 3 person have? That will be 2 into 3. That will be the 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then 2 in the group of 4 in the group of 2. That will be the 2 multiplied by 4. Addition of 2, 4 times 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be the 4 times. That is a 8. Then similarly, addition of 2, 5 times. That 2 hands are there. Please remember. That is a 2 multiplied by 5. That will be the 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times. That will be the 10. And then similarly, we multiply by, we further multiply. So that will be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times 2. That is 2, 6 R. So addition of 2, 6 times. That will be 12. And similarly, we will see in the slide. Okay. So the 2, 1 times. That is a 2, 1 in group of 2. That is 2. 2 in group of 2. That will be the 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 3, that is 2 in the group of 3. That is a 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. 2 multiply by 4, that is 2 fours are 2 in the group of 4. 4 in the group of 2, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times addition, that is will be the 8. Then 2 fives are 2, addition of 2 5 times, that will be the 10. 2 multiply by 6, addition of 2 6 times 12. Similarly, 2 multiply by 7, that is addition of 2 7 times. Then addition of 2 8 times, that is 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18, that is the addition of 2 9 times. Then addition of 2 10 times will be 20. So in the shortcut, we will write the multiplication table. That will be the multiplication table of 1 that we had seen, the multiplication of table of 2 that we seen, and now multiplication of 3. How we'll read it? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Similarly, table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 6. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. How it come? Again, simple, repeated addition. 4 multiplied by 3 means addition of 4 3 times, means 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. Similarly, we have the table of 5. That will be the 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So I hope you are able to understand multiplication table. It is nothing. Multiplication is a repeated addition. So if we repeat the addition of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will get the table of 1 to 5. That is here. Okay. So if there is any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer. So move to the next topic. The topic is the multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number without carrying. So before going to do multiplication, we have to follow some steps. What are the steps? The steps are very simple. We have to write the number in TO pattern, that is a tens and ones pattern, and multiplicand and with multiply TO pattern, multiplicand or multiplication sign के साथ अपन we have to put it with the sign of multiplication. The sign of the multiplication is the X, capital X. So suppose we have one example, that is a multiplication of 22 by 4. So what we do? We have to write 22 in TO pattern. We'll write 22 in TO pattern. Then addition, multiplication sign with multiplicand, that is a 4 with multiplier is 4. Then what we have to do? Multiply. So this 4 is going to multiply by 2 with the first one, means ones के साथ. One, we have to multiply this 4 with ones number and then multiply by a 4 with the tens number. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and then next 4 multiplied by 2, that is a tens number, that will be the 8. So answer will be 88. Now take one more example. 14 multiplied by 2, that is a, we have to write in TO pattern. 14 in TO pattern, then multiplication sign with 2. So 2 is a multiplier that we need to multiply with 14. Then 2 is multiplied by 4 first. That is a 4 into 2 is 8 by multiplication table. And then 2 into 1 is 2. That will be the 2, 28. So we'll see some more examples. Okay. Suppose we need to multiply 51, not 51, take some smaller number at first. That is a 31 multiplied by 6. This is a vertical, horizontal way of writing. So we have to write the number in TO pattern. Okay. What is going on? Write the number in TO pattern. That will be the T and O. That is 31 with multiplication sign of 6. Now, this 6 is going to multiply 1 times. So again, multiplication fact, when any number is multiplied by 1, that is a number itself, that is a 6. And then this 6 is going to multiply by 3. So 6 into 3 is 18. So that will be the answer, 18. Okay. So see some more examples. Like we have to multiply. This is a picture of my son. Okay. So suppose we have to multiply 40 by 3. Okay. Or we can say 20 by 3. Okay. Let's consider this 20 by 3. So we have to write the number in 20 pattern. That is 20 multiplied by 3. So 3 we have to multiply by 0. Multiplication fact. 0 is and answer will be 0 according to the multiplication fact. And then 3 is going to multiply by 2. Means and then what it means, we have to add 3 2 times. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That will be the answer. I hope there is no doubt. So let's quickly move to the next slide. So the next topic is the multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number with carrying, means carryover. There will be carryover now. So the steps are same. We need to write the number and with multiplication signs and use multiplication table and write the answer. So quickly we see the example. The example 1 is 18 multiplied by 3. So the steps are same. We have to write the number in TO pattern. So T and O is there. 18 below the TO and then multiplication sign and 3. Now we have to multiply 3 with 8. As we know from the table, the multiplication of 3 and 8, it's 8 threes are 24. So this 24, 2 will be the carry. So we have to add this carry after the multiplication of 1 with 3. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. 24, then 2 will be the carry and 4 will be the answer. That is right below the O. And 3 multiplied by 1 is the 3 and addition with 2, that will be the 5. Now quickly take the another example. That is a 35 multiplied by 2. So let's see this example in whiteboard. So example is 35 multiplied by 2. So simple, we have to write the number in TU pattern. So we'll write 35 here and then sign of multiplication, then 2. Then we have to multiply this 2 with 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. In this 10, this 1 is going to be carry. And this carry is going to add with the tens group. And this 0 is the answer that will be right in below O, ones group. Okay, so we'll write 0 here. That will be the 0. And this 2 is going to add with the multiplication of 3 and 2. So first we will multiply 3 and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 3 into 2 is 6. So that will be the 6, and 6 plus 2, then 6 plus 2 is 8. So that will be the answer 80. I hope there is a clear understanding. Okay. So 3 plus, in the previous slide, 6 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 35 दूनी तो 3 दूनी 6 होता है. Okay, we did one mistake. Okay, that is a carry is 1. We add 2 here. Okay, sorry, I'm very sorry. The 1 is going to carry, so we have to add 1 here, not 2. So this is going to change 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, that is not 8, that will be the 7. So answer will be 70. So again, I'm repeating the same thing. So if we have to multiply by 35 by 2, let's see again. So we will write 35 below the T and O and multiply it by 2. 5 2s are 10. 0 will be the answer. 1 is going to carry. So that will be the 1. So then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. That will be the answer is 70. I hope there is clear understanding. Okay. So take some more examples. Okay. Let's say we have to multiply by 49 by 2. Okay. So simply we have to write the number in TO pattern, multiplication sign, and multiply it by 2. So 2 nines are 18 by the multiplication table, and 1 is going to carry. Then 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is, that is going to add. Okay. It is going to add. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that will be the answer 98. Now take one more example. Let's say we have 50 multiplied by 3. Okay. Or we can say multiply it by 5. Take some new numbers. Okay. So we have to write the number in TO pattern. That is a 50 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. And then 5 multiplied by 5 by the table, it's 25. So that will be the 250 will be the answer. Okay. So let's quickly move to the slide. So 35 multiplied by 2 is the 70 we had seen with the example. Now, next topic is the story sum. Now I'll do some story sum. The first story sum is a shirt have 6 buttons. A shirt have 6 buttons. How many buttons are there in all 6 such shirts? Okay. So don't confuse. There are 6. Okay. So how we will solve it? We'll solve in the whiteboard. So number of buttons in a shirt. That is the 6. Number of shirts that is 6. So total number of button that will be the 6 multiplied by 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 that is 6 multiplied by 6 that is multiplication table. You have to use that will be the 36. The total number of buttons are 36. That will be the answer. Now move to the next story sum. The next story sum is a farmer planted palm trees in 7 rows. Each row has 5 palm trees. How many palm trees did he plant in all? Okay, quickly see with the whiteboard. So, how many rows are there? Number of rows are 7. Number of palm tree in a row, that is 7. So, total number of palm tree are 7 multiplied by, I think there is a mistake I did, 5. There are 5 trees in a row. Okay, so 5 trees are there. Let's quickly cross check it. Okay, 5 tree. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 5. Similarly, 7 multiplication with 5, that will be the 35. Okay, so move to the next sum. That will be the answer. The next sum is a car has 4 wheels. How many आना चाहिए था? Okay, how many wheels are there in such 8 cars? So quickly see in the whiteboard. How many wheels are there? Number of wheels a car have. How many wheels are there? 4. Okay, and number of cars? Number of cars are 8. Okay, so total number of wheel wheels in 8 cars, that is will be 4 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 4 into 8, that is 32. So total number of wheels in a 8 car are 32. That will be the answer. Now next story sum. In a minibus, 3 passenger can sit in a 1 row. If there are 10 rows in a bus, then how many passenger can sit in the bus? So simply we have to multiply. So quickly see the same example with whiteboard. So passenger in a row. Oh, hi. That is 3. Then number of rows, that is equal to 10. Okay. And now number of passenger in 10 rows, that will be equal to 3 multiplied by 10. We can also say 10 multiplied by 3. This is a multiplication fact. Then we have to multiply. How we'll do that? T and O, tens and ones multiply by 3. 0 multiplied by 3 will be the 0. So we'll write 0 here, and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So that will be the answer, 30 passengers. I hope there is no doubt in this multiplication. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask me in comment section or mail me, and we'll And thank you very much. If you feel the video is very useful for you, so please do like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.